So, do you think astronomers can detect extrasolar planets?
Yes. Pretty sure they.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's possible, yeah. We can.
Yes, I think it's possible.
How do you believe they detect these planets?
I think with the current technology we have now, we have microscopes, telescopes and stuff like that. I think we are able to see them. And like, have you watched the recent movie Interstellar? It showed like how they use like the black hole to travel to other solar systems and other planets to with using science and everything. So I think in the future probably we can be able to detect other solar systems.
I believe they detect these extrasolar planets with the use of a powerful telescope which is based on Earth that uses its viewing distance to view planets as they cross through other light source to see their shadows, therefore calculate the total time it takes for the shadow to pass.
I think it's like the Pythagorean theorem or something like that.
I think we have like telescopes where we can look into outside of ours and see other galaxies and stuff, other solar planets that are going on.
Telescope? The big one?
The transit method is one way of detecting extrasolar planets. This is done by detecting a small change in the brightness of extrasolar stars. Scientists are able to accomplish this by continuing to watch the same area in space and marking every time there is a decrease in a star's brightness and how much of a change there is in that decrease. Then they check their markings to see when there is a consistent dip in brightness. They do this to see if an object keeps passing in front of the star, in turn decreasing its brightness. Through this consistent dimming, we can infer that a planet is orbiting that star. Through this method, we can also detect the size of the planet and also the length of the time it takes for the planet to orbit. Radial velocity is also a method of detecting extrasolar planets. This method uses the concept that a star with a planet will move in its own small orbit in response to the orbiting planet's gravity. This means that a star with an extrasolar planet is periodically moving due to the gravity from its orbiting planet. Thus, it is periodically moving towards and away from Earth. We use this knowledge to try and spot variations in the star's spectral lines to detect whether or not a star is periodically moving towards or away from the Earth. Astronomists are able to do this by monitoring these spectral lines by seeing if a star red shifts or blue shifts. A blue shift means that the star is coming towards the Earth, while a red shift means that the star is moving away from the Earth. This can be used to infer that the star is moving in this periodic movement due to a planet orbiting it. This method can also describe the mass of a planet by seeing how far the star is moving and using that to tell the planet's gravitational force and in turn the planet's mass.